Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, our group will present about problem-based learning (PBL) Industrial Robotic SDG 9, which is in industry, innovation, and infrastructure. First, I will introduce our members. First, my name is Muhammad Khairul Anwar bin Muhammad Isa. Second, Muhammad Iqmal Hakim bin Mat Saad. Third, and Muhammad Ishraf bin Muhammad Jaafar. Next. I will talk about introduction. Industrial robots are widely used in manufacturing to improve automation, especially in tasks like CNC milling and quality inspection. This project focuses on solving issues caused by human limitation, such as error, delays, and fatigue by using robotic for more efficient, consistent, and safer operation. Robots have evolved from simple machine to smart system, benefit industry, healthcare, and even dangerous environments. For example, in industry, a robot can speed up production and improve safety. For healthcare, robot can assist doctor to treat patient in surgeries, change treatment process and recovery faster. Next, robot also can be used in dangerous place, such as area with ultrasonic rays, which is dangerous for humans to be exposed to. This topic align with Sustainable Development Goal 9, Industry Innovation and Infrastructure, exploring how industrial robots have developed, their new function, and the material used in their design today. We can also learn about how these robots have transformed and what new function they now have. In terms of infrastructure, we can understand what material and shapes are used for robots in the industry today. Next is our objective. First, to design a robotic system that is capable of transferring the finished part from a CNC milling machine to the inspection table. Second, to develop assembly code for controlling the robot movement. Third, to analyze how robotic automation support sustainable development goal 9, industry innovation and infrastructure. Next, I will pass to my members.
Okay, for my topic is about the literature review. For the implementation is this chapter is we discuss about agendas as a platform to be used for to comparing automated robots and human power for use in industries. And it will show the speed, production, quantity, and efficient between robot and human power. This article review explore various aspects of the comparison between automated robots and human labor, including efficiency, productivity, cost, effectiveness, and impact on our workforce dynamics. I will choose for three articles about the related for this topic. First one is articles which is the topic is efficiency analysis of manufacturing line with industrial robot and human operators. This is discuss about the analysis of productivity and reliability of machine line operate by human operators and industrial robot. Its design, variant, and simulation model developed in flat sim simulation. Project is also use of EE, which is overall equipment effectiveness that metric to present how availability and reliability parameters. And for the result is to test the productivity and stability of the model of machine line, and simulation scenario include work in 3 shifts per day. As we can as the figures is a result for the simulation between average of production value and confidence levels at 19%. For the next article, which is a simulation-based approach for evaluating the effectiveness of robotic automation system in HMR product loading. A simulation based on an approach to evaluating the feasibility to impact of the robot automation on an HMR production. They are focused to production case, which is modeling large scale case case A, and other based production case using simulation case B. As we can see the results, the workers can they they have a increment, utilization and improvement on the workers. Robotic automation increased about 31.2% in large scale production, which is case A, and for the case B is increased for 12% in other base production. So we can see here, single worker could operate the robotic system effectively, highlighting the practicality of robot for SMEs. Next or last, my article is improving efficiency and effectiveness of robotic process automation in human resource management. This is about the robotic process automation that to manage the software robot. And this the reason to conduct this project is to prove the efficiency and effectiveness of RPA in the human resource management system, and to compare the manual process to perform by human. This study also designed and developed an HRMS model using RPA tools to achieve the target process. It's focusing on the parameters of gathering, store, and accessing employees information from others module. As we can see the result, which is the result of humans versus robot for the accuracy and consistency. Okay, next I will pass to Muhammad Ashraf.
Okay, thank you, Muhammad Ikmal. I will present about the theory for our assignment. Okay, to indicate the industrial robotic, we need to hands-on by ourselves by using the software that we are recognized, which is RT Toolbox 2, which is the software is we use to coding and move the robot coordinate that we are set up. Through this project, at the same time, we also learn the assembly language, which is to simulate, which is the prompt, move, negate, await, also pivot, and others. For the sustainability development goal 9, which is we can identify what type of industry they are using the robotic automation, and we also know how the robot gonna through the innovation and become more advanced by infrastructure which is suitable for using the robot automation. Next. Okay, right now is the methodology for the revolution robotic. Based on it, we can see there are 5 revolution, which is 1.0, 2.0, 3.0 until 5.0 industry. For the first 1.0 industry, which is it is focused on mechanization, such as with the steam engine. Next, after transfer to 2.0 industry, they're gonna make its mass production, which is with electricity and assembly lines. For the 3.0 industry, which is it is start for automation era, which is the first programmable robotic is exist, and they start with the programmable robot. After that, we'll transfer to Industry 4.0 revolution, which is they will start for smart automation, adding with AI, IoT, and they control for large scale, such as for smart factory, smart home, and others. Uh, Lastly, after 4.0 industry, which is 5.0 industry revolution, which is human try to collaboration with robot, because this will give impact for humans, for our safety, such as for hazardous area, which is where human can ever reach. So robot can help us in this 5.0 revolution industry. Okay, next. Okay, based on the table, we can see the advantages of robot, which is they provide us more efficiency and speed, more accurate and good quality, workspace safety, operation can be continuously, rigid, and others. So, as we can see from that, robot help us for human uh, to make it better for every aspect, because as we know, robot production work faster and consistency rather than manual work labor, which is it also help to minimizing the defect and improvement of the quality control. By than that, if the defect and improvement quality are being better, it also can reduce the accident in the workspace area. Okay, next. So this is the comparison between automation robot and human power in terms of industry. So as we can see, there are 7 aspects, which is speed, accuracy, operation timing, consistency, adaptability, long cost, long in cost in long term, and SDG 9. As we can see here, in terms of speed, as I explained before, robot can work faster and consistency, because uh, as we know, we are human, also have a fatigue. So which is it will impact for our production, for industrial production. Next is accuracy, which is as we know, robot automation has been set with its setup. So which is they can identify which is better for production. Then for operation timing, as we know, robot can operate 24 hour in 4 hours in 7 days. But if you compare to human, we also have fatigue, we also have a stress day. So which is it is better for robot automation work in critical production. So next is consistency, which is speed maintenance for robot is better, because as we know, it can operate in consistency. For adaptability, uh, the robot just need to be programmed for the task. But if you compare to human power, which is for human, we has very many kind of decision. So which is it is hard for human just to focus on one task. Okay, for the cost in long term, although it is high cost, which is for maintenance, it's everything, but it is worth for it, because it can be used for a long time and can be operated in 24 hours per 7. But in terms of human power, it will depend for the worker healthy and their consistability. Okay. Next, our testing and verification. As we can see, for the design and conceptual understanding, for the right picture is actual interface for the robot in real application, and the right one is our 3D drawing for AutoCAD by view. Okay, next. Okay, based on the code that we are programming, and we also have a testing for verification, which is uh, pmove, pgate. We are using pmove, pgate, pput, h1 open, h close, delay, which is this better better when we can if we want to apply for from CNC miling and put it on inspection table, because this code has we have demonstrated before and it worked better on it. Okay, next. Okay, lastly for our conclusion, which is we conclude there are two conclusion, which is for SDG 9, which is the industrial robotic can give a real world advantage for industry around the world in terms of quality, productivity, and lower cost in time. It also shows to us the importance of industrial robotic to ensure the reduction of physical strain and for the worker. Lastly, the objective is show that industrial robotic can make the industry work more efficiency and sustainability. And lastly, in terms of our project, which is we can understand the about the automation process of the robot control, which is from assembly language coding that we are wrote to ensure the robot is more accordingly for what we ask. So this process is crucial because it can reduce the error and incident of the workplace. But it also important because it will increase the accuracy and consistency for placing the workpiece. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.